Hi guys, welcome back to our vocal training. So guys, yeah, and I made them. The mom is old, and then there's the younger daughter, and then this is the mom, and then this is the children. So like yeah, queen. One, two, and guys, my mom used to go out and the family pack, and I did really good work. So I really made her room. And guys, I am not using the moving feature for this video, so let me stop yapping and let's just go into the room. Part 1 of the tornado. Okay, when I first come over to place to be like excited. Oh my god, I said don't be excited. Oh yeah, my bad. I think mom, she put our iPad in here. What, really? Yeah. See? Oh my gosh, our iPads. What the freak? You are not cool. I'm gonna go back on my bed too. I'm gonna just sleep on my iPad. Okay, now I'm done here. Put my iPad. Actually, let's bring my iPad. Oh my god. Okay, come on. I did everything else ready to play, but like, I redid her room, and just to ready. And put my iPad there. I guess that's him. Okay. So excited. Let me see. That hurts. Sorry. So if you guys are probably wondering why didn't I get the Starbucks because in the stop shop, then getting this because what's $2? $3, $2.99 for a dang clothes. I already made all my clothes, so I was gonna get a long style pack because girl, I'm not making any more effort. I'm not deleting. No. Sorry. Hi. In his mind, this is gross. Okay, can I use the thing? Hey bro. Hey bro. Close. It gets dark. Oh my gosh, the room close keeps opening. Ah, help. Potential's holding on to the thing. Oh my gosh. Ouch. Dang, what the frick was that? Let's close. The power went out. Oh my goodness. Let me just get my iPad and my iPad. And then we can just go to my room. We cannot go outside, but we have to. Here we had to. Oh shoot. Put that back with the other one. Close, dang it. Some of the water comes out. Oh no, my pool. Okay, let's go to the room. It's far not bad. We just use it for this. Nobody really likes it. You're not gonna like it. Hey, I'll be here. This is mom. No, I know. She's gonna. How is your brain? Wait. What do I listen to? Bruh. This is mom. Okay. I'm winning. Oh, I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. Ah! This place. Cold air comes in. Dang. It's freezing. Where's my jacket? My cool pajamas. It's very cold. Dang, guys. I'm like a billion bang. Oh my goodness, that's just one of these. Okay. Mom, Dad, it's cold. I know. That's cold. Wait, what about... Freaking cold, bro. Here, yours. It's fine, I've been having that. And then the scissors. I'm super cold. Let me put this. I put them in my room. This is yours. Yeah, I'm just gonna stare at you and cool down. Lightning comes. Oh my goodness. Mom, Dad. It was just thunder. It was just thunder. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm too tired. I'm gonna go tomorrow and sleep because...